This is New India Samachar. It is reaching all Gram Panchayat, Jilla Parishad, MLAs, MPs, all important officers and journalists. So those who are not getting it regularly hard copy can give their address to Murugan and they will transmit me within 1 week. And more importantly, those who want it on soft copy, because we are sending 5 crore soft copies and 5 lakh hard copies. So this is one. And second is this booklet on farmers' problem in Tamil, because we have translated it in all the languages. So today you have heard Prime Minister Modi himself, but this gives the complete background and all the information. This is ready reference book which I prescribe so that you can write either way, but information is there.
Also said that the oppositions are trying to politicize the farmers issues and the
Yeah, see, today Prime Minister has also spoken. I have also spoken to Chengalpattu and Patta, and your representatives were there. But let me sum it up. See, Modi ji's government is the only government in which 6 years are devoted to farmers. What was the real demand of farmers all these 40 years? The real demand was remunerative prices. There was an issue of how to decide remunerative prices. M.S. Swaminathan gave the answer, cost plus 50%. He submitted his report in 6th. But the DMK Congress combined in UPA did not accept his recommendations for 8 long years. Modi ji accepted it. And so MSP has risen phenomenally.
Your party has been repeatedly assuring that MSP is going to stay.
Yes.
And farmers only say that they need an MSP Guarantee Act. The government also has said that you are ready to give that assurance in writing. So then what stops the government from giving a statutory guarantee or a statutory backing for the MSP?
MSP has always been an administrative decision and is working fine for last 55 years. So we will continue the arrangement which is in operation for last 55 years.
So either it be a CAA, NRC or farm laws, when the government say it's a historic decision, but it is very strongly opposed by people of farmers, why is the government not talking to the people of farmers before passing the laws?
Already, no, that is what I said. The discussion is on for last 20 years, not today. UP also conducted discussion on the same laws, on the same drafts. We have not innovated some new things. We have carried forward the UPA law which was given as a model law. So, we have not, an Essential Commodities Act, everybody said that scrap it because it unnecessarily puts farmers into disadvantage. So, we have not invented something new from the moon. We have taken that logically forward, the discussion which is taking place for last 20 years with the farmers.
But not getting opinion from farmers.
No, farmers. All these standing committees, till today, the UPA has talked to all the states, they talked to all farmers, and we also spoke at various forums, and already Atal Bihari Vajpayee's government, there was Guru Committee, that also spoke to all farmer organizations.
I have 2 questions for you. The first one regarding the farm bills out here in Tamil Nadu. You have seen how, the farmers, you have been interacting with farmers today as well. What kind of, what is the general scene that you are able to get from the farmers out here? Because several opposition leaders are...
I'll tell you, unfortunately, the misguiding campaign was successful to an extent in Punjab only. There is no agitation anywhere else in the country. But yes, Punjab farmers, they have some misgivings. We are ready to talk to them. We have already had 6 rounds of discussion, and today Prime Minister has also invited the farmers and organizations for talks further.
Sir, another question to you. We are talking about the NDA alliance out here in Tamil Nadu in politics, especially with upcoming elections. If the NDA alliance, that is AIADMK and BJP, wins, will the BJP accept Tamil Nadu Edappadi Palaniswamy as the Chief Minister?
See, the same question, the same answer.
Sir, but
No, that is the answer. That is the answer. You, Are Baba, Patrakar, see, journalists have the freedom. He refused, or he was silent, or he diverted, or he deflected. Okay.
Sir,
So I have given all the possible explanations which you can also take it. Tell me.
sir, sir.
Obviously, in Tamil Nadu, ADMK is in upper hand. You are depending on them. So, do you have any role or time to play?
See, in coalition, when coalition happens anywhere in the world,
Do you really think
1 minute, anywhere in the world, if coalition happens, everybody is complementing each other and everybody depends also on each other.
Sir, nowadays, few actors and political parties talk about MG Ramachandran. Your party also now speak about MGR. Last 32 years, BJP has not speak about
No, but this year,
This year only state president.
No. See, every year, MGR, and for that matter, all the greats of Tamil Nadu are always remembered on their birth or death anniversary. But more importantly, this time you have noticed.
So you're talking about the farm laws and the merits of it. But it is not just the Punjab farmers who've been misguided. In the state of Tamil Nadu, in districts like Tanjavur, Trichy, there have been multiple attempts by farmers to try and come to Delhi, but they have been stopped multiple times. Ayya Kanna, who had protested in Jantar Mantar,
I'll tell you.
has been trying to do
But
the same thing right now
therefore,
also.
today, Prime Minister held discussion at 20,000 points, and people have seen, farmers have seen in their homes also. He has straight talked to 5 crore farmers. So what we are expecting, and he has given open invitation to all those who want to solve the problem.
இது போன்று உங்களை சுற்றி நடக்கும் செய்திகளை நீங்கள் தெரிந்து கொள்ள சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்து பெல் ஐகானை கிளிக் செய்து எங்களோடு பயணியுங்கள். மறக்காமல் லைக், ஷேர், கமெண்ட் செய்யுங்கள்.